Chief Minister Nongthaman Birren today expressed confidence that a partial solution for the ongoing crisis in Manipur that can be worked out within 3 months. Chief Minister N. Birren was speaking on the sidelines of International Yoga Day observation, which was held at Khuman Lampak Indoor Stadium today. Speaking to media persons, Chief Minister Birren said India government is well aware of the genesis of this Manipur crisis. Delegates from India have also informed the United Nations that Manipur crisis is due to illegal immigration, drug trafficking from across border. While expecting some positive outcomes out of the recently concluded high-level security review meeting, which was chaired by Union Home Minister Amit Shah, Chief Minister N. Birren said he is expecting an action plan which will facilitate the return of peace and normalcy in the state, while also expressing concern over what is unfolding in Jiribam district. Chief Minister N. Birren said the government is trying to deploy state forces in the violence-hit district. Arrangements have also been being made in coordination with Jiribam Deputy Commissioner to reconstruct houses for those affected families on both sides.
Violence has been included on top priority to bring peace in the state of Manipur, and accordingly, Honorable Union Home Minister has taken up the high-level security meetings from all the agencies, and he is collecting everything. Then the action plan will be definitely come up, and I hope at earliest within these 2-3 months some solution will be definitely there.
Okay, thank you. Loina yaugudabani khudingmakse koi loi khanggadabani haibu yaroi magi sector legani aina chief minister moina aigi sp mayam aigi cid gi kari gi mayam kaujaraga meeting tawbada governance yahonde yapode tawriba potu union home minister moina magi level da lejari potu kashmir gi source adagi manipur gi source nagaland da kai dawri magi tongan magi agency mayam lojabani madai the politician kana yauge aduna masa masuda politics so we know all political party ki mayam lakko da ajana shanko kami. These are the realities. Any political issues discussion solution lakko kanda without the consent of the people of Manipur, without the consent of the state government kanam ta kembe to wes me